Hi, Derek Briggs here, Product Manager for Sagami REM Sales. Here to give you a quick tip on how to fix the periodical maintenance alarm on a Sagami Swiss machine. This is a frequently asked question by a lot of our customers, and I'm here to show you exactly how to reset it. All right, so step number one to getting rid of that pesky maintenance alarm is going to press the system key, and then you're going to soft key arrow right, which is this soft key right here. You're going to arrow right until you see periodical maintenance right here. It's abbreviated period and M-A-I-N-T-E. You're going to press that. It's going to bring you to this list of items that Sagami wants you to check periodically. And they're all set by timers, and these are set from the factory. I don't recommend anybody change the actual set times, but I'll show you how to actually reset them once you actually check the maintenance. So what you're going to do, you're going to find the one that's actually highlighted in red here. So we have lubrication tank check. That's going to be your way lube. So make sure your way lube is topped off, and what you're going to do is you're going to press the OPRT soft key and change. That's going to bring you to the hours. This is the life, and this is how much is remaining. And you're going to come over and you're going to type in, you're going to make this column match this column once you're done filling up your way lube. 336 and input. The alarm has gone away. We're all set. You can just go back to your program and hit cycle start.